Risk and risk management. Wait. Don't switch to another entertainment video thinking risk is nothing to do with me as an individual. It is for the corporates, organizations, projects. No. Risk is something which can impact your daily life. How is it? Let me help you to understand about it with simple examples. Hi, I'm Rekha and I'm the Chief Trainer of Kalpataru Consulting. Risk. So risk is there in your daily life. How is it? Let me give simple example. I hope you clean the cobwebs in your home and clean the ceiling fan. How do you do that? Probably you pull the table, and if the height is not sufficient, you're going to place the chair on top of the table and try to clean the ceiling fan. Worst case, place few pillows on top of the chair which is on the table. What if you slip? You understand the impact. This is risk. If you identify this as a risk, you would be proactive to have a ladder at home. Likewise, how regularly you give your vehicle for service? Maybe at the verge of its breakdown. What if your vehicle doesn't start during an emergency? It breaks down during a family trip. This is risk. You identify this and then come out with an action plan of giving your vehicle for regular service. This is risk mitigation. Do you have medical insurance, term insurance, an emergency fund? Probably you may say, nothing will happen to me, but you never know. Do you eat clean, exercise regularly, and manage your mental health? Today's ignored health would be tomorrow's risk. So risk is not just about projects or organizations. Risk is not just about framework and matrices. Risk and risk management is all about the mindset. So what is it? You anticipate what could go wrong, have an understanding of the impact it could create, and be proactive in coming out with a preventive action. So this is all about the risk mindset. Let us not do a firefighting against the problems, but anticipate it and be prepared to manage these risks. These risks can have an impact on us personally, professionally, financially, and even emotionally. So, let us anticipate the uncertainties in our life and be prepared to manage them proactively and effectively. If you think this is a right message, why not start thinking and taking action right away? And if this message resonates with you, why not share it in your circle? If you like this video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learnings. Thank you.